talk about our self-image and why it is so critical when we are trying to grow and create really exciting lives. So our self-image is the key because you cannot outperform your self-image. So if you have a low self-image, it will prevent you from doing things that are bigger and more exciting than what you are normally doing. And so in order to achieve those bigger goals, you must work on your self-image, because you cannot grow and become a bigger version of yourself without doing that. You will have doubts, you will have all kinds of feelings of inferiority, and you will not be able to function. So I have something to say about that. Most of us think we have to live with the self-image that we have, but we really don't. We can create a new one. Buckminster Fuller said that you never change things by fighting against the existing reality. You change something. To change something, you build a new model that makes the old model obsolete. And you can apply this to your self-image. If you would like to change the way you are, and you want to get rid of qualities that you have, you can do it. One of the best ways to do it is to look at people that have qualities that you admire, and you can be inspired by them, and you can attempt to bring those qualities into your own self-image, and you can recreate your self-image. And if you do this and impress this on your subconscious mind over and over again, your old self-image will shrink and your new self-image will take over, and you will be a new person, because you will have created the self-image that is exactly what you wanted, instead of the one that you just happen to have. And all of the criticism and doubts that you had with the old self-image will not even matter anymore, because you will have shed that old self-image and you will have built a new one. You really don't need to patch the holes in your old self-image and keep using it. You can actually create a new one, a better version of yourself. And I recommend everybody examine their self-image and ask yourself, what qualities do you like and which ones are holding you back? And take inventory of that and find inspiration in other people. They may not even be alive. They might be people from the past that you admire. You can adopt those qualities for yourself, and you can design and create your own version of yourself, a new version of yourself, because you are in control of your life. You're in control of your mind. You are in control of your emotions, and you can create anything you want. So picture the version of yourself in your imagination. Picture the version of yourself that you want to be, and picture that 2 or 3 times a day for 5 minutes. Sit down and picture the version of yourself that you want to be. Write down the qualities that you want to have, and recreate your self-image. It will be the best investment that you've ever made, because you will be able to accomplish so much more with a new version of yourself that is that much bigger and more powerful, because that is the real you. Basically, you're uncovering the real you. It's there, but it's covered over with doubt and fear and shame and guilt and all kinds of interesting things. The real you is there. It's your authentic self. And in order to uncover it, you have to, little by little, love yourself. And with patience, you can uncover your authentic self. I had a yoga teacher once that said, we're afraid of our power. And she's right. We're so powerful and so beautiful that we can't even begin to think that that is us. But it really is. We are amazing. We are absolutely the most amazing creature on the planet. We are the entire ocean in a drop. And we have all these things that are covering it all over so that we don't believe it. But they're not true. And little by little, with a little effort and a lot of persistence, you can uncover the real you, your authentic self. And you will be completely amazed at the vastness of yourself. It will just be the most satisfying experience, because you will be satisfied for the first time in your life, because you will not be holding anything back or watering yourself down, compromising in any way. You will be the biggest version of yourself. And I challenge everyone to make that their mission in this lifetime, to find out how big they are. Find out how big you are. Find out how big you are. I am having so much fun trying to find that out for myself. And I am having a wonderful time doing it. Once you get past the fear and you get on that path and you've made that decision, it's a treasure hunt. And you are the treasure. Go for it. I hope I've inspired you today. I hope I've made you think about your self-image, and that you can recreate it yourself all over again, and that you can do anything you want. It is all up to you. You have everything within you. There is nothing that you don't have. You have everything. It's all covered over. Just go uncover it. You'll see that you are bigger than you could possibly imagine, and more beautiful than you can ever think possible. That is the real you. Go after it. Find it. And let me know. I want to hear from you. I want to know that I have inspired you to become a million times more than you ever thought you were. Because that is what I want for you. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.